everyone. Today we will be discussing about secondary storage devices. Last class you have already learned about primary storage device, that is RAM and ROM. Today we will be discussing about various secondary storage devices that you can see I have already kept on my table. CD, then hard disk, all these are secondary storage devices. Last class you have already learnt about hard disk, and among all the secondary storage device, hard disk is the most powerful and it can store large amount of data. I can show you the original hard disk. This is a laptop hard disk. Desktop hard disk size is little bit bigger than this. This is a hard disk. You can see this is a hard disk. Now today we will be discussing about CD, DVD, memory card, pen drive and Blu-ray disc. First let's start with CD. CD full form is compact disc and it is the most economical and easy to use storage devices. Though its storage capacity is little bit less, it can store only 700 MB of data. And in CD, we can store images, we can store songs, we can store games. There are various types of CDs. CD-R, CD-RW and CD-ROM. CD-ROM is compact disc read-only memory. I can show you, this is one type of CD-ROM, and this type of CD only the default from the company or from itself these CDs are made. You cannot change any data in this CD. So that is why this is a CD-ROM, compact disc read-only memory. You can see it's an internet security CD. That means I cannot change anything in this CD. Let's move to the CD-R, that is CD recordable. In compact disc recordable, you can store 700 MB of data. You can see the size is written on the CD, and only one time we can write the data in this CD. After that we cannot delete or we cannot change the data here. And last one is CD-RW, that is compact disc rewritable. Rewritable means many times you can change the data, many times you can delete the data and many times you can store the data. So CD is a circular disc and a laser beam is used to store the data inside it. Now we will move to the DVD, digital versatile disc. This is a DVD, okay, and here you can see the size is mentioned, that is 4.7 GB. That means you can understand DVD can store much more data than CD. DVD can store 4.7 GB to 8.5 GB of data. And in DVD is also a circular disc and a laser beam is used to store the data inside DVD. And in DVD you can store at least 2 to 3 movies inside it. So DVD's capacity, storing capacity is much more than CD. Though it is also a circular disc and it also looks like CD. Now we will move to the Blu-ray disc. Blu-ray disc is the modern type of circular disc, and you have already seen different animated movies. All these high definition animated movies are stored in the Blu-ray disc. I can show you one Blu-ray disc. You can see this is a Blu-ray disc. Here it is written also 3D. So 3-dimensional movies, games, all these high definition quality movies can be stored in the Blu-ray disc. And this is also a circular disc. But why the name is Blu-ray disc? Because a blue laser beam is used to store the data inside the Blu-ray disc. This is the Blu-ray disc. It's also same like CD and DVD, but Blu-ray disc, if you want to play the Blu-ray disc, you need a Blu-ray player. Normal CD player will not be able to play Blu-ray disc. Now we will move to our most common and most favorite, that is pen drive. And pen drive can store up to 2 GB to 2 TB of data. That means 2 GB to up to 2 TB of data. And it's the most easy and most comfortable device where we can store the data. And we can transfer the data from one computer to another computer using the pen drive. The other name of the pen drive is flash drive, or we can call this USB drive also, or it can be called as the thumb drive also. Why the name is USB drive? Because this is the USB port. This is a USB port and it can be attached with the USB port of a computer also. Now we will move to the another storage device that is also very powerful, though its size is very small, but it is very powerful, that is memory card. In your mobile phone, in camera, digital camera, you have seen the memory card. Though it's a very small in size, but it has a large amount of storage capacity. Lots of images, movies, pictures, songs we can store in the memory card. See, it's a SanDisk memory card. Okay, and I have a little bit bigger size memory card also with me. Okay, so all these are the storage devices we are using. But why we are using the secondary storage devices? Because it's a very easy to use. It's very easy to transfer the data from one computer to another computer or from one device to another device, and we can change the data in these storage devices very easily. I hope you have got some information about secondary storage devices. Thank you so much.